Webb and Lakewood Ranch. Is it really the best 55 plus community? Now, in my opinion, you can't go wrong with the three 55 plus communities in Lakewood Ranch. We have Del Webb, you have Crestwind, you have the brand new Del Webb Catalina. But today's video, we're talking about the OG, the original Del Webb Lakewood Ranch. Stick around, you can decide. Hey there, my name is Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I'm a real estate agent, I'm a lifestyle matchmaker. So glad that you found the channel. Stick around, this is gonna be a fun conversation. So as I said, there are three options if you want to be in a 55 plus community in Lakewood Ranch. They're actually all pretty amazing in my opinion. Two of those are Del Webb, one of those are Crestwind. Today though, we're gonna talk about Del Webb in Lakewood Ranch. RJ, do me a favor to throw up the map, show everybody where this location is. All right, let's start with the basics. Del Webb and Lakewood Ranch is a 55 plus community. They're built by Pulte Homes. They're very well renowned, very well respected builder here. They are known for creating active adult communities that are more than just homes. They're kind of like lifestyle homes. Okay, let's be real. Moving here, it's not just about downsizing. It's not just about finding a low maintenance home. It's about upgrading to a life where you can do more of what you love. And maybe even discover some new passions along the way. Like drinking some bourbon, smoking cigars. Hey, by the way, I'm going to put some links in the description down below to homes currently for sale in Del Webb, as well as some home tour videos that we've done. Okay, let's talk sports, because if you have never played pickleball, you might as well learn, because pickleball is life at Del Webb. This community has 8 pickleball courts along with 6 tennis courts and 4 bocce ball courts. So whether you're a seasoned pro or you have no idea what bocce even is, you'll have plenty of chances to jump in, have some fun, maybe even get a little competitive. Or maybe your idea of exercise is more like floating with a drink in your hand. No judgment here. The heated resort style pool is the perfect place to soak up the Florida sun. There's lap lanes if you feel ambitious, or there's even a spa if you just want to relax. And don't worry, this is not some tiny neighborhood pool. The pool here is huge. It's massive, it's gorgeous, and quite honestly, it feels like a vacation resort right in your backyard. Okay, so full disclosure, we do not live in Del Webb. We live in Greenbrook, which you probably know if you've watched the channel before. But we do have friends who live in Greenbrook. We do a lot of real estate business in there. We spend a lot of time in there. We do know a lot about the community. We have been there for a karaoke night. We have been to neighborhood block parties. We have been there for charity events. It's a lot of fun. Okay, so let's talk about staying active, because if you're moving to a 55 plus community, you probably want to keep feeling great for many years to come. Del Webb has a state-of-the-art fitness center with everything from weights to cardio machines. There's a group fitness studio where you can take classes like yoga or Zumba or strength training. And let me tell you, here's what I hear. These classes, they're not really just for exercise. They're probably the place where you're gonna meet your best friend. Seriously, it's not uncommon for people to start out as workout buddies and end up planning vacations together. Now let's talk about what makes this place really special, and that's the community itself. Because at the end of the day, it's not really about just the amenities. It's not really just about the houses there, although those are really important. It's about the people that you share them with. So the 21,000 square foot clubhouse is the social hub of Del Webb. It's got everything: activity rooms, a Wi-Fi cafe, an arts and craft studio, a game room, and a catering kitchen for those community events. And oh yeah, did I mention there's a barefoot bar? Yep. An outdoor bar where you can grab a drink, kick off your shoes, enjoy the Florida living at its finest. Plus there are tons of clubs and activities to choose from. If you love playing cards, you can join a bridge or a mahjong group. Want to keep your mind sharp, try trivia nights or book discussions. More of a social butterfly, get ready for dancing, dinner shows, sunset cruises, movie nights, karaoke night. Seriously, there's always something happening in Del Webb. You'll never have to worry about being bored here. Unless, of course, you want to be bored. Hey, do us a big favor. If you want to see more videos about what it's like living in Lakewood Ranch, subscribe to the channel, smash that like button. Even better, drop a comment down below. Let us know where you're watching from. And for you dog lovers out there, yes, there's a dog park for you furry friends. Because let's be honest, if you have a dog, moving here isn't just about you. Your pup deserves to live their best lives too, right? And another reason why Del Webb is the best, it's in Lakewood Ranch, which is one of the top rated master plan communities in the entire country. So that means that you are just minutes away from amazing restaurants, shopping, farmers markets, golf courses, so much more. And let's not forget, you're just a short drive from some of the most beautiful beaches in the entire state. Well, relatively speaking, short drive. So whether you're into boating, beachcombing, fishing, kayaking, kayak fishing, or just sipping a cocktail while watching the sunset, you'll have easy access to all of that. Okay, so we covered sports, social life, fitness, all the perks of living in Lakewood Ranch, but the real question is Del Webb right for you? If you're looking for a 55 plus community that's active, social, and full of life, Del Webb just might be for you. It's a place where you can pursue your passions, make new friends, live the Florida lifestyle that you've always dreamed of. If you have any questions or if you want to see Del Webb for yourself, just reach out. We'd love to help you find your perfect home in this amazing community. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, do us a favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment down below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you want to join the action, we do a live stream on every Thursday. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you stick around and watch this next video. We'll see you in the next video, everyone.